Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be deep diving into how to use AI agent inside UiPath Studio. Basically, I will be deep diving into Gemini CLI and Codex. There are many other platforms like Cursor, Cloud Code, but those are paid. So these two are free. So I'll be deep diving into these two. Uh, I've also written a blog. You can go through it on my Medium page, and it will just follow the same steps, or you can just go in. You can just watch this video, and we'll be following the same steps. The first thing first is basically you should have a Node.js installed on your system. If Node.js is installed on your system, npm packages should be installed, and then you can run these coding agents inside your studio. There's also a good GitHub repository that UiPath has created. You can go to this link and you can check this repository. The same steps are also written over here. You can follow these steps and you can basically achieve the same results. But yeah, let's go through it one by one. So I already installed the Node.js in my system. I will just check. Uh, Open a studio. There should be a terminal inside your studio. And when you just write a command over here, you can see the node version is installed. I will also check if npm is installed. The npm is also installed. Okay. Now both of them are installed. Now if I want to run a Gemini CLI, I should have a npm package of Gemini CLI installed. If you go to this page GeminiCLI.com, you can see all the documentation regarding that. Just a simple thing what you can do is you can copy this npm install Gemini CLI from over here. You can go to your terminal and you can just paste it, hit enter. Okay, so basically I already installed, but it will install it in your system. If I go to my blog, I also told the same thing over here. Okay, so install Gemini CLI. After that, now the Gemini CLI is installed, you should have your UiPath CLI also installed. So for that, there is this command that you need to copy, npm install UiPath CLI. I'll copy that. I'll paste it over here and hit enter. Okay, so it is also installed for me. Now again, now now the Gemini is installed. Now the both Gemini CLI and UiPath CLI installed. I will just install UiPath skills. So for that, I will write UIP over here, then skills install. So it is archiving the skills, extracting the skills, and then you can install the skills that you want to install. What I will do, I will install it for both Gemini and Codex at once. So skills are basically, it will help you, develop the code into UiPath better. So basically it will automatically follow all the UiPath coding standard and everything. One is Gemini CLI, I will select Codex, another I will select, I will hit enter. So yeah, both the skills for both the agents, the skills are installed. You can see it's in the root directory, see Abhishek, it is installed. Now let's check. So I will just remove this. I will, because we already installed the Gemini CLI, I will just write a Gemini over here. So it will open Gemini for me. Okay, as you can see here, it is saying it is detecting a conflict over here. The skills are overwritten. So we can delete this, as I have already installed the skills and I'm writing it again. So it has showing that, it has showed that. But yeah, you can see the Gemini has already started, Gemini CLI already started. We can delete any one of them. So if I go to see agents, we can delete it, but yeah, we will be happy. So here you can see, you can give any prompt over here and it will do the magic for you. Let's see what all skills that we have. So if I write skills over here, and if I write list, hit enter. You can see these are all the UiPath skills that are already available on the system. As you can see, 23 skills are already installed inside my Gemini MD5. If the skills are not discovered when you install Gemini CLI, what you can do is basically after installing the skills, you can again use the slash command skills. Then you can see inside the skills, you can go to link over here, and you just need to copy the address of your skills and you paste it over here, and you can link those skills to your Gemini CLI and it will work. So I'll just give a simple prompt, write a assign, write a message box inside the message box. Right. Hello. I already have a big tutorial on the project that I've created by using a. So it will ask first. You just have to allow it. Big tutorial I have where I have created a whole project by just using a UiPath skills and UiPath agent and Codex as an agent. So you can refer to that. And this is just to show you the functionality and how to use the skills and agent inside the UiPath. Okay, I'll just click on allow for the session. I will also add a link to that video so that you can see what is the process that I have followed for creating that particular bot just by using coding agents. Okay, probably this will definitely build it, but I don't want to waste my time in this one, so I will show you the Codex part. I will just quit this. Okay, so it has already built, so you can see the message box is already there. You can see it has key. But yeah, that's it for this. Request is cancelled. Quit. Here you will get all the summary of your agent. Again, I will clear this. Now, Gemini CLI part is complete. Now I will show you for the Codex part. So for the Codex part, you can go to this website of Codex CLI. You can see here the npm package is there. You just copy this npm package. You go over here. We already installed the skills over here, so I'll just paste it over here. Hit enter. Okay, so I already installed Codex also. So yeah, it just showed whatever the changes in the packages are that. And then just like in Gemini, you just have to write Codex over here. Codex, hit enter, continue. Okay. So similarly, Codex is also now inside. You can run it inside your terminal. Similarly, slash commands are over here also. You can see skills. Hit enter, list the skills. Okay. Here also you can see all the UiPath skills are also mentioned over here. Now again you can give another prompt over here and you can build your code, but that is for another session. I'll just write quit over here. That's it. I hope this is helpful. You can, as these are both these agents are free, you can try out with both Gemini and Codex. Also, make sure you visit this GitHub repo of UiPath of skills. It has all the description that is needed to run agent inside the UiPath. Also, my blog is also there. You can follow the same step inside the blog, and you will be able to do the steps that I've shown in the video. Awesome. Thank you so much.